If you've ever opened a Croatian textbook, you probably saw something like Dobar dan. Ja se zovem Ana. Drago mi je. Perfectly correct, but do Croatians actually introduce themselves like this? Not really. Today, I'll show you the natural, real-life way to do it, so you sound more like a person and less like a textbook. Let's start with the basics. The official way is Dobar dan, ja se zovem Ana. Drago mi je. Good day, my name is Anna. Nice to meet you. It is polite, formal, and you will be understood. But in daily life, Croatians don't usually say the whole formula. We shorten, we skip, and we adjust depending on the situation. So what do we actually say? Well, usually something much simpler. Bok, ja sam Ana. Hi, I'm Anna. Or just ja sam Marko. I'm Marko. Or even Bok, Anna. So, hi, I'm Anna. Notice ja sam plus the name is the most common pattern. You almost never hear ja se zovem in casual introductions. It's not wrong, but it's not what comes out naturally. Introductions in Croatian also carry cultural flavor. For example, if you meet someone older or in a formal context, you might add Drago mi je. Nice to meet you. But among younger people, it's often just Bok, Ana. If you're introduced through friends, a smile and a handshake often say more than words. And in Croatia, small talk comes quickly after names. Odakle si? Where are you from? Or Čime se baviš? What do you do? So the introduction is short and the conversation starts right away. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Obviously, you're going to say your name. Bok, ja sam Tihana. Drago mi je. Ja sam Ivan. Now try to imagine you're meeting me. You say your name and I say mine, and keep it natural and keep it short. Dobar dan, ja sam Tihana. Drago mi je. So remember, textbooks will give you the full sentence. Ja se zovem so-and-so. But real Croatians usually just say ja sam and the name. Use Drago mi je if you want to be polite. Skip it if you're among friends. And don't forget the smile. That's the most Croatian part of all. Vidimo se u sljedećem videu. See you in the next video.